to my channel. It's your girl Nadesh Mbulu, a content creator based in Yaoundé, Cameroon. If it's your first time to come across my video, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Okay guys, in today's video is a video I've really wanted to film a long time ago. It is how I prepare for the week as a stay at home mom. Yes, I get to cooking in bulks for the week. Like, that's what I am about to do. Today is Saturday and I have everything ready. The things I don't have, I have sent my daughter to the market to get it, so when she comes to start cooking, we will be cooking outside with charcoal because it's faster than gas, because my gas is really slow. So this is what I'm doing. And today Saturday I will have some children, a kid brother child and a friend child that will be coming. So just enjoy Saturday with me and let's just see how it goes. Is this something you do? Do you cook for the week, or you cook fresh meal every time you want to cook, you want to eat? For me, it doesn't work for me. I take food from the freezer, I want meat, and it still have the same taste. I don't know. People say they can't do that because their experience, sometimes the fridge, like the lights we have in Cameroon, sometimes on and off, it can damage the food. What is your experience about bulk cooking and keeping it in the freezer? Have you ever tried? Is it something you want to try, or you prefer cooking your fresh meal every day for your family? Let me know your experience. Let's just get into the video. Before we get into the video, there's something we just bought from the farm. I want to show you. It's fresh plantain. This is plantain from the farm. Oh, you guys know I have a farm in my compound. This is fresh plantain. I'll be doing chips. I'll take you guys along. Everything. There's a table where they prepare it on the floor. Mama. Hi, King.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, appétit.
Merci.
What did they say? Appétit?
Merci. Say thank you. Thank you.
Choo. My God, and tomorrow, what shall I render to you? I will bow down, worship my God, my God. The only key that opens the door. You are the one, now my soul. The book of bones and death, I never consume. Tu as bien créé. My love, Papa Mo. What did you bring? Only my hands today. This one roasted. Pause publicitaire. Who knows this thing? We call it clou de girofle. If you know what it helps, just let me know. I like the way you hit me. Wango. Oh, Maria bought this piggy bank. We are for Marinette to send something to our parents for Christmas. Just bless one child. Any child we see around that will need Christmas dress. So while we opted for this, she bought it for 300 francs, right? Oh, God help me. Before 20 feet, how? Before 20 feet, I don't know how we're going to do it. But that's what we're doing. This where I am blessed with 10K, I will just put. I don't want to put cash here because I'm always needing cash. So This is 1,500. So I will start with 1,000. When I will put the 1,000, I have my last 1,000 already here. They tell me for you to put on. When you see that there's much money more. Who is beating you? This is for Kati Kati. It was not these spices, guys. I will do it again and show you guys. It is so good. It is like, I don't know what to say. It is heavenly. I will show you. This is from the fridge. It has a little bit of oil, persil, green pepper, the heart of green pepper, white pepper, and how do you call that thing? I'll show you. The joy I shall still overwhelming. Fufu that went to Harvard. See fufu no. See correct fufu go cry. Me one day. Wait. Fufu small for your house. Where you tell me. So you cook ya. You cook the push change. Why? My mother. See the cook prepare stranger own. See if stranger come. Times are hard like this. First you cook prepare stranger own. One of friend. Bring again and salt. Present Maggi. This is for corn chaff. This is fresh corn. It was in the fridge. Come over, coffee. Coffee or midday.
This is for arrow. Aye, fresh fries.
This is already two. So I'm left arrow.
So last minute we decided to do chips. That's all about the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Where is this in